Hello, we have the DJI mic, wireless microphone. I'm going to open this guy up. And here's the box. We got some stickers, lots and lots of stickers. If you love DJI, you'll love all these stickers that you can put on your car, your laptop, your wall, your face, whatever you like. And then you got quick start guide, and you have safety guidelines, don't eat this, that type of thing. And then we finally get down here to the prize in the box, and we'll throw the box out of the way because we don't need it anymore. Open it up, and voila. Boop, boop, boop. Everything just lights up. You get little indicators on here for charging, how many hours you have for each one of these microphones. Comes with two. I guess you could interview somebody, or if you wanted to, or if you're on a really, really long stream for like 24 hours, you could switch mics. Let's see here. In this little guy here, it is not a touch screen. Let's see here. Or is it a touch screen? It is a touch screen. I stand corrected. So I can scroll down and up one time. All right. Well, there you go. It is a touch screen. So there you go. It tells you your battery strength. And you really can't see it on the camera, but the microphones are hearing my voice and showing a gauge on there. So we'll set that there. Here we go with this guy. Got your microphone, your input, part where it connects inside there to charge, a little clip. So that's kind of cool. Both of them come with that. Inside here we have a lightning connector, and we can get to focus. There's the lightning, and there's the USB-C. So you have two ways to connect. And then we have the bag that's in this box. So you got this little carrying bag that you can carry your new DJI product in. And it comes with both the little connectors for each microphone. Now I've had this open, that's why a little piece of cardboard was in there. But anyway, so there's that. There's the little connectors, okay? So they'll pop on there and help with wind and noise cancellation, things like that. And then you'll flip this guy over. It has a USB-C port on the back so you can charge it. Charge this whole thing. It charges everything else. And you're good to go. So that's it. A real simple box opening of the DJI mic. Thank you.